Dogecoin value equivalent to 1.5753 rands a coin. The present cost range, 1.4967 1.6383. The earlier day close, 1.5355. The change was plus 0.0398, plus 2.59%. Reverse rate, ZAR to Doge. Dogecoin cost expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 14, cost 1.52 rands, high 1.63, low 1.41. Dogecoin figure on Monday, April 17, cost 1.50 rands, high 1.61, low 1.40. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost 1.55 rands, high 1.66, low 1.44. Dogecoin figure on Wednesday, April 19, cost 1.58 rands, high 1.69, low 1.47. In multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost 1.58 rands, high 1.69, low 1.47. Dogecoin figure on Friday, April 21, cost 1.53 rands, high 1.64, low 1.42. Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost 1.42 rands, high 1.52, low 1.32. Dogecoin gauge on Monday, May 1, cost 1.61 rands, high 1.72, low 1.50. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 1.68 rands, high 1.80, low 1.56. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81, low 1.57. Dogecoin gauge on Friday, May 5, cost 1.68 rands, high 1.80, low 1.56. Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 9, cost 1.66 rands, high 1.78, low 1.54. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, May 10, cost 1.65 rands, high 1.77, low 1.53. In about a month Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 11, cost 1.59 rands, high 1.70, low 1.48. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 1.69 rands, high 1.81, low 1.57. Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 15, cost 1.62 rands, high 1.73, low 1.51. Dogecoin value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2023. Initially cost at 1.37 rands. Excessive cost 1.84, while low cost 1.29. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.51. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.53, change for April 11.7%. Dogecoin figure for May 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.53 rands. Exorbitant cost 1.85, while low cost 1.41. The found the middle value of cost 1.58. Dogecoin cost estimate toward the month's end 1.52, change for May 0.7%. Dogecoin cost expectation for June 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.52 rands. Excessive cost 1.52, while low cost 1.31. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.44. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.41, change for June 7.2%. Dogecoin conjecture for July 2023. Before all else cost at 1.41 rands. Excessive cost 1.41, while low cost 1.18. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.32. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.27, change for July 9.9%. Dogecoin cost expectation for August 2023. Before all else cost at 1.27 rands. Excessive cost 1.57, while low cost 1.27. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.40. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.47, change for August 15.7%. Dogecoin conjecture for September 2023. Before all else cost at 1.47 rands. Excessive cost 1.47, while low cost 1.14. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.33. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.23, change for September 16.3%. Dogecoin cost expectation for October 2023. At the outset cost at 1.23 rands. Excessive cost 1.23, while low cost 0.96. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.11. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.03, change for October 16.3%, Dogecoin conjecture for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.03 rands, excessive cost 1.27, while low cost 1.03. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.13. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.19, change for November 15.5%, Dogecoin cost expectation for December 2023. At the outset cost at 1.19 rands, excessive cost 1.36, while low cost 1.18. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.25. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.27, change for December 6.7%, Dogecoin conjecture for January 2024. At the outset cost at 1.27 rands, excessive cost 1.27, while low cost 1.10. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.21. Dogecoin cost conjecture toward the month's end 1.18, change for January 7.1%, Dogecoin cost expectation for February 2024, initially cost at 1.18 rands, excessive cost 1.32, while low cost 1.14. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.22. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.23, change for February 4.2%, Dogecoin figure for WAC 2024, initially cost at 1.23 rands, excessive cost 1.23, while low cost 0.96. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 1.11. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 1.03, change for spring 16.3%, Dogecoin cost expectation for April 2024, initially cost at 1.03 rands, excessive cost 1.03, while low cost 0.81. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.94. Dogecoin cost figure toward the month's end 0.87, change for April 15.5%, ZAR to Doge conversion standard equivalent to 0.6348 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.6104 minus 0.6681. The earlier days nearby 0.6512. Change for now 0.0164, 2.52%. ZAR to Doge cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Rand to Dogecoin conjecture on Friday, April 14, cost 0.658 coins, high 0.709, low 0.613. ZAR to Doge expectation on Monday, April 17, cost 0.667 coins, high 0.714, low 0.621. Rand to Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, April 18, cost 0.645 coins, high 0.694, low 0.602. ZAR to Doge forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 0.633 coins, high 0.680, low 0.592. R to Doge expectation for April 2023. In the first place cost at 0.730 coins, exorbitant cost 0.775, while low 0.